it and I slide off. Hustler, get the pots off. Hit it with the remix, then I sell it for 5 more. Let it off like July 4th. No game, all facts. Show respect like Doom, spell my name in all caps. Yankee ball cap. Swear to God, if I ever go broke, pull a toast, get you all jacked, nigga. Get the money first, the hoes will follow. You ass backwards chasing whores if the pocket of your jeans hollow. How you profit sniffing all the product up your nostril? The blind leading the lost, he can't guide you. This a page out the dope movers, novel eating food at Lavo. My life illegal, Mambo with Diablo. 2-step into my heartbeat, we taking risks for chips. Keep the chrome weapon under the car seat, like Rodney. Motherfuckers all trying to charge me. We moving cogni like the mob, filling cigars with parsley. My broad bad and bossy, highly intelligent. When your bitch a rider, better cherish it. Your vibe irrelevant. Rebel showing reverence to the rhetoric. Overcame a deficit, was medicine peddling. The reverend told me never let the devil in. We on the road to perdition and a new plug was heaven sent. From experience, I had no OGs. Gotta get a plate like Raekwon rocking the Snow Beach. Watch your friends, every homie ain't your homie. Just get your dough and keep it on the low key. For real, learn from experience, I had no OGs. Gotta get a plate like Raekwon rocking the Snow Beach. Watch your friends, every homie ain't your homie. Just get your dough and keep it on the low key. Hey yo, no record contract. Just a bunch of customers and plugs in my contacts. Tryna palm stack. Survival's only meant for the fittest. With firearms clap, no hand combat. Your own man to sell your mom's crack for the love of evil roots. Why say fuck it if it's feasible? We lost fleeing European vehicles. Eyes blinded by so many lies, can't see the truth. Lost niggas can't teach the youth. We tryna reach the roof. No ceilings, react off of logic, not feelings. You failed to profit, ain't the topic of your dealings. Salute the villains, $100 billing. In the lobby of your building, fuck Squally, free all those in prison.
Stuck in the walls of the project halls where the coke smell still lingers. External blingers is all we can be, cause on the inside we've been given nothing to shine on. And the gig is harder to get than coke, so niggas get they grind on. Cause the TV tells us, aim high, nigga, make all goals lateral. But that takes paper that we don't have, so niggas put their souls up as collateral now. Some niggas reclaim them, some blame them, make an excuse to sell them. But when a nigga goes from not doing to doing, what can you tell him? Not to be a nigga? Shit, I got to be a nigga, that's how I pay the bills. And I'ma do that whether I got to sling this coke or exploit these rhyme skills. See, America makes you an opportunist, and at the same time they institutionalize you. So the fact that niggas get these big record deals, big money, and then go to jail shouldn't